Hey there folks, I'm Keir Simmons, standing in Switzerland in front of the Rhone Glacier. That's it there, that cascade of ice there on the mountain slope behind me. Beneath is a lake. Now that lake wasn't there. Slowly the glaciers here in Switzerland are disappearing. We're going to take you on a tour of this and other glaciers here in the Alps. We're also going to take you underground to show you how they're using the water here to create renewable energy and fight climate change. I'm standing on the Oberaar Dam, 7,550 feet up in the Alps. And here they're doing the climate change equivalent of taking lemons and making lemonade. That melting glacier is supplying water into this lake from where they are creating renewable energy. So now we're underneath one of those lakes, and these are giant valves controlling the water flow for a renewable energy power plant. Take a look. These huge turbines produce enormous amounts of electricity. In fact, Switzerland gets 60% of its electrical power from turbines like these, both using lakes and rivers. And this power station is pretty amazing because what it does is not only take the water and produce electricity, it pumps the water back up into the lakes so it can do it again and again, storing power in batteries in order to be able to pump the water up again. This is like a huge rechargeable battery. So now I'm in the middle of the glacier. That's it over there. These are blankets, which I'm going to explain a little more about in a moment, because they're here to try to preserve a tourist attraction that's in there. So now I'm inside the glacier in an ice cave. Take a look at this. This is a piece of cloth that they've put across the top of the glacier to try and stop it from melting. It's not fully working. Take a listen. Well, that's all from here in the Alps on Today Instagram. You know, the truth is that this glacier and many more here are going to disappear. There is almost nothing we can do about it. But if we can work the way they are here in Switzerland with hydropower to mitigate climate change, we can slow the melting of not just this ice, but ice in the Arctic. And that will slow down rising sea levels and prevent a catastrophe.
Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.